Ayan, naglalaro na sila ng kanyang best friend. Wow!
It's so fun, my best friend.
It is fun.
Wait, before we...
Anong gagawin mo dyan? Oh, wala. Ikaw na, Ella. Walang natamaan si ate.
But can you put all of the toys in there first?
Diyan muna kasi. Magalingan mo, anak ko. Magkalalapit Oh, galing Ayan, happy
I
siya.
need a wee wee. I need a water turn.